Hello, welcome to Static Design. In this case you can see the new book template for Adobe InDesign. When you unzip this file, you can see these elements. First, this is the book cover. In this case you can see the old elements about this cover. You can change the text, title, or other elements, or maybe the background image of the author, for example. Your website, you decide. Okay, in Adobe Illustrator. And you can see book underline template file. In this case you can see this file with all elements, all style. Yes. More than 14 pages. 45. No, 42 pages. Okay. That's it. But check this blank. Okay, check. In this template you can see only this cover and these elements, table of contents, and in black. Oh, yes, in blank pages. Why? Because if you open book template, this is an example. Okay, for example, we recommend Command C, copy and paste, but go to layers. This is a recommendation. This option, paste, remember layers. Active this option, please. And go to edit, paste in place, and check this layer, main and backward. Okay, and in this case, for example, if you have you can replace for your text, and this is yours, and you can plus text and plus text, and you decide. Okay, and for example, copy, paste in place. Finally, we have two options for designers: book templates with all elements. Okay, but if you need to create a book with unlimited pages, for example, copy elements, open book blank, and paste element of book template. This is a one option. You decide. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.